Okay, I did some research on and listened to his name is Dr. Jones, I think. Veterinary Secrets on YouTube. He is a holistic vet, and I searched remedies for cat sneezing. Now he has an elderberry bush that he does, he can make his own. But he recommended that, 1 teaspoon, 3 to 4 times 3 days, 3 to 5 days, or Sambu Guard. He also has his own remedy, and then L-listine paste, or half a teaspoon twice daily of honey. Now I only go down and feed once a day to the stray cat, so I'm going to see if he'll eat. I'm just going to give him half a teaspoon. That's a teaspoon. I'm just going to give him a half a teaspoon right now and see how Louie does with that once a day until I found some listing, oh dang, I can't find my half a teaspoon. I'll just fill that up. Half. Anyway, I'm going to try to get him up here tonight and see if he'll eat half a teaspoon of that and see if it will help him. I can get the L-listine, either the paste or the treats. Now, I found treats that would probably be easier than him licking up paste. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm going to look at the difference in both. I buy the same company that I get for Remy and Louie, the probiotics, Retro Science, and I've done a review on that and update, and they're doing very well on that. Very well. So, anyway, I'm going to try this honey daily for up to a week and see if this helps him. I've got it's local, raw, and unfiltered honey, and see how he does on that. Hopefully it'll help him. If he's down there tonight, I don't know. I'll let you know. Okay, Louie is eating down there. He didn't want to follow me, but I'm going to get ready to go get him to follow me. I just put a little bit of the wet food in with the honey, and hopefully I can get him to come up here. Right now, Lucy is up here. She followed me. This is what I do, and I gotta be quick. Not you, Lucy. I want Louie to do this. Come here, Louie. 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 Come here, Louie. You can't see very good. Okay, I went down there. See where it's mixed up with the food. He sniffed it and he walked away. He's like, I don't know what's in there, but I don't want it. So he would not, I couldn't get him to follow me today. I don't know. Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. Lucy went back down when I did, when she realized I wasn't there, yelling at me. She's such a cute cat. I don't know. I'm trying to find a way, what I have on hand right now to help him. He didn't sneeze any tonight, so maybe it was just something in the air was making him sneeze. I can hope. Okay, well, try again tomorrow. You don't like that? I'm trying to get him to eat that honey, but I know. he don't want to eat it. Hold on one minute. Yeah, he won't eat that. I've been trying to get him to have honey in it. Okay, I don't know who this is. Coming up. I have no idea who the other these people are. Come on. Come on, Louie. Louie, I want you to eat this. I want you to eat this. He don't like it. It has honey in it. Oh, well. Well, we'll just have to get you those listing treats. But he's sounding better today. He's not sneezing. He don't sound like he's having a hard time breathing when he eats. I don't know. Maybe it was in the air the other night. You sound better tonight. Yeah, you like that, don't you, baby? I didn't see Lucy. It has been dumping rain tonight. I mean, thundering and lightning and... So, it's 11 o'clock at night, so I ran some food down there real quick. But then he followed me up. I know, you like that, aren't you? But he won't eat that. He don't like the honey. I mixed it up in some food. I don't know where Lucy is. They'll come out, I guess. It stopped raining. It's clearing up. You can hear how he's sounding better. Oh, we know you don't like the honey, huh? You don't like the honey? I don't like it? It tastes weird. It's supposed to help you. Dr. Jones said I could give it to you. So I don't like it. You can hear he sounds much better. Maybe it was just some allergies going on that night. I'm not worried so much. Mommy was really upset about that. Thinking you're sick. He's eating some. He's eating some of I got the honey mixed in. Good, I want you to eat that, Louie. Maybe he licks some of it. As long as he eats a little bit, if he gets a little bit of that honey in his system, it'll at least help his immune system. Oh, you like that? Here. Come here, Louie. Louie. Here. Oh, good, he's eating it. Because it has honey. I mixed half a teaspoon of honey in with it. So hopefully he would eat it. And then... Okay. I'll get you num-nums. Oh, you ate almost all of it. Good boy. Good, I wanted him to get some of that honey. Olivia, come on. Come on, Olivia. Come on, Olivia. Come on, kitty kitty. Go over on the other side. I think that's Olivia down there. We were hiding from that rain. This covers you, doesn't it? Come on. Okay, good. He ate all of the wet food with the honey in it. Good boy. Was that good? Was that good? Finish that. Then I'm going to go in. Come on, baby.